Jai Bholenath, Jai Shiv Shankar. Guys, we are inside Binsar Wildlife Reserve, and right now we are standing outside Binsar Mahadev Temple inside the reserve. So, this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and actually, its name was Bineshwar Mahadev, but as the British were not able to say Bineshwar, then in the passage of time it came to be known as Binsar Mahadev. So nowadays it is known as Binsar Mahadev. Do you notice this red tree? We are just going to go back to our forest rest house, and this is the red tree that you see down. So actually there was a motorable distance of 4.5 kilometers to reach that temple, and now I am in the premises of forest rest house where we are staying inside Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary. And this is the way. If you walk just around this chestnut trees, then this will lead you to the Binsar Mahadev temple, and that will be only 1 kilometer, while there is a motorable distance of 4.5 kilometers. So guys, this was a wonderful morning. After seeing the sunrise across Nanda Devi mountain that I showed you in my last video, we came back to the forest rest house, and this is the view. And in today's vlog I am going to show you two very nice heritage properties that are inside Binsar Wildlife Reserve. So one of them I will try to show you from here. Yeah, there it is. So it's Grand Oak Manor. So it's a heritage property, more than 150 years old, a British kind of, you can say, palace or castle, and it is a great hideaway to have your holidays in the Himalayas. So this is the great resort, as you can see from forest rest house. So this is my room, and as you walk from my room you come out to see Grand Oak Manor. And let's see what the family is doing. It is 11 a.m. breakfast is just served, so now we are gonna have a good breakfast, and then we are going to go out for today's excursion. Let's see what they are doing. So this is the view that you get while having your breakfast in Binsar Forest Rest House. Very simple but tasty meals. Some paranthas, dahi, some dal, and
Now we are entering
local
the
nice
Khali
bananas
estate, which
as a
had
desert.
some of the very renowned owners, including the Nehru family once upon a time. A jewel in the crown of Binsar Sanctuary, a beautiful estate. पूछना पड़ेगा.
हाँ वो आ रहे हैं खुद ही आ रहे हैं.
Somebody is coming. We will ask if you are permitted to see. The glorious Khali estate, Binsar, first owned by Sir M.J. Henry. After post-independence, it belonged to our first Prime Minister's sister, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, also. It had some of the very renowned owners, both in pre-independence time as well as post-independence. Beautiful property. It serves as a resort. Yeah. Very nice smelling flowers. I think this is रात की रानी। ब्यूटीफुल टेरेस। Very idyllic, beautiful surroundings, like some resort on Italian Riviera in the glory of Mediterranean summer. वाह, वेरी ग्लोरियस। अच्छा, अरे वाह, यू कैन सिट, प्लीज सिट, यस सिट। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल व्यू with a copper waterways with all its purifying properties. Beautiful circular room. Flooring is made of wood with a provision for natural light. Ira, see this bathing area is so nice. It's like some Russian. Yeah. Very posh, beautiful, nicely located. Views are to die for. Sprawling views of the Himalayas. टैरिफ कितनी है इसकी वैसे?
इसकी है सर अभी एक दो लोगों का एक रात का
हाँ हाँ
7,318 रुपया।
अरे 7,318। टैक्स भी लगेगा उस पर?
हाँ वो टैक्स से
टैक्स सहित? अच्छा
उसमें डिनर और ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो बढ़िया। लंच का कितना रेट होगा?
लंच 350 पर पर्सन।
अरे अच्छा, ये तो रेट तो ज़्यादा नहीं है। तो ये सीजन के रेट है कि
सीजन ऑफ सीजन हमारा एक रहता है।
एक ही रेट है? अच्छा, तो रूम वगैरह मेन बिल्डिंग में मिलेगा कि पीछे भी? गोल वाले जो हमने देखे जी, इनका ज़्यादा होगा क्या? अच्छा, कम देते हैं। अच्छा अच्छा जी जी, अच्छा अच्छा, तो रेट लेकिन इसका भी सेम है? अच्छा, वाह, बहुत ही सुंदर है। तो अगली बार तो हम आपके यहाँ रहेंगे आके।
जरूर सर।
हाँ, अरे बहुत सुंदर है। नहीं, आप तो बता रहे सेम रेट है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा है यार ये तो। इस हिसाब से तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छा है। वेरी नाइस रिसेप्शन, ओल्ड। ये किस चीज की लकड़ी है छत पे?
ये इसमें पाइन
पाइन, ओके। ये भी अंग्रेजों के जमाने की होगी?
है, ओक भी है। यहाँ ये उसी टाइम की है।
उसी टाइम के, ब्रिटिश टाइम्स की है। ओके। फ्लोरिंग भी वैसे तभी की होगी? वाह,
कोई चेंज नहीं,
कोई चेंज नहीं, नो चेंज सिंस द ब्रिटिश टाइम्स। फ्लोरिंग ऑल आउट ऑफ पाइन ट्री, फ्लोरिंग एज वेल एज द रूफ। कमरा दिखाइएगा जी। रूम इज हियर in the main building, the classic building, built in 1856 in Khali estate. Wow, so glorious. Again, roof is made of pine. देख लें। Wow, natural light in the toilet, amazing. And windows style, you can see it's Victorian era. And roof style, typical British architecture, the originality of architecture preserved for our generations to enjoy and cherish. Outside is lounging chairs.
So now on our special request, they opened the room of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for us, where Pandit Nehru used to stay whenever he was in Khali estate. So this is the original fireplace. As you are seeing, the rooms are very simple and they have their appearance as they were having before 1947 when it was with the Nehru family. So this is his photo, as you can see, and this was the window view that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was having when he was staying in Khali estate while on a family holiday before independence of India, before 1947. So this is heritage, and best part is that even though it has changed a lot of hands, but nobody has tampered with the original structure, original plan of the property. So it remains as it is, and still you can stay in this room. I think for 8,000 or something will be the tariff, and including meals you can stay in the same room where Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to stay when he was in Khali. Now this is the view from outside. So this is the view that attracted General Sir Henry Ramsay to build his house here, and then later it got converted into Spanish villa at the hands of Mr. Wilson. So this is a great heritage. So in the end, in 1950, after 1947, when India became independent, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's sister Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, she was appointed as ambassador to Moscow first, and then to several other countries, and that's why she was not able to stay in India, and that's why just after 3 years, that is in 1950, she sold it to Pandit Bhaskarji, so who again started running an ashram here, just on the lines of Mahatma Gandhi, before Vijay Lakshmi Pandit owned it. So this swing also, I think it is very British and very original, because I never saw such a swing in any part of India. And this right hand side, this thing that you see, that is a sundial actually. So some parts of it got stolen, I was told. So the trees are very nice, and in I think 3 or 4 kilometers there is no property. So here we are seeking blessings of Shiva, and after that we will go to our next heritage property in this beautiful Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is called, and there you go, and you will see the board, which is called Grand Oak Manor. So this is Binsar Mahadev temple from where we started the video, and just near that you will see this banner, Grand Oak Manor, and after which a steep, very very steep, difficult, rough climb will take you to Grand Oak Manor. Just see the sweeping views, the beautiful views, the canopies of the pines and devdars, and there it is, our forest rest house at a distance. You remember sometime minutes back I was showing you from forest rest house down Grand Oak Manor, and now from Grand Oak Manor I am showing you my forest rest house. See, it is situated at the top of a hill amid the very dense forest. So this used to be this Grand Oak Manor, actually it was again built by Sir Henry Ramsay, Commissioner of Kumaon. So this used to be the stable where they used to tie the horses. And my driver Bablu told me a very interesting story. Last time, when some years back he had brought some guests here, he had parked his car here that you are seeing on the other side, the white car, Innova, and he was sleeping here. So in the night, he says, I felt like somebody moved the car, like my car fully moved, and I had heard many ghost stories. So I was, completely in the awe, and I was not able to sleep for the rest of night. So this is the place where Bablu was sleeping last time when he had brought the guests. And so many drivers, he told me that so many drivers have complained that it is a very, very haunted place, and naturally it should be when it is so old. So as I was telling you, General Sir Henry Ramsay, he was Commissioner of Kumaon, a very, very benevolent one, from 1856 to 1884. And from here he was running the administration of whole of Kumaon, which was a very, very big region. And here he was holding his court. So he was sitting as a judge and holding the court here in this beautiful area. So now again we will now enter into the property. So we are on the first floor of the Grand Oak Manor, which is 150-year-old property. And let me tell you, 4 kilometers, in a radius of 4 kilometers, there is no other property, which means you are inside a dense forest in a heritage property. And here they have restaurant here where they serve continental food, Indian food, and menu is very extensive. Even I was told they have their own cows to milk, so you're getting milk from the house. And this is where you're having your lunches and dinners. Now we will climb up and enjoy the view from the top floor. See, this is the view from top floor of Grand Oak Manor. And let me tell you very interesting thing, there is a small chapel that you will see right now. Yeah, that is the small chapel, and which is shrouded by a very, very big tree. This is a 300-year-old tree, 300 saal purana, 300-year-old tree, and it is an oak tree. So after this tree, the whole property is called Grand Oak Manor. So this is how it is named. It is named after this big tree that you will see. So here kids are enjoying the sweeping views. That is the stable part from where we were some minutes back. This is the chapel, classic chapel, and you see deodar trees, and wherever they are, let me tell you, the cedar trees, it is they keep the temperature very, very cold and nice. There are 9 rooms here which are named after different Britishers who had some contribution for this property in a good way. And these are the views from top that you have from Grand Oak Manor. And the restaurant's name is Acorn. This is the family enjoying themselves near the chapel. And this is the 300-year-old tree. And behind there, this green dot that you see, that is our forest rest house. So this is Sir Henry Ramsay. This is his portrait, who was responsible for making these beautiful properties inside Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary when nobody else could imagine, and which changed so many hands later on. This is an appreciation letter from Uday Shankar, the renowned dancer who was brother of sitar maestro Ravi Shankar. This is an appreciation letter. Uday Shankar stayed here in 1941, And these are the old photographs of British gentry having some good time in this property. And this is an appreciation letter from Governor of United Provinces, Governor of today's Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. All this combined used to be called United Provinces. And this is an appreciation letter from him, while it is a lady sitting over a killed leopard in the vicinity of Grand Oak Manor in the bygone days of British era. So guys, these were the two properties that we had for you, Khali Estate and Grand Oak Manor. So anytime you plan to visit, you can come here, and tariff won't be much. I think Khali is cheaper, this is a little bit pricey. This will be around, I think, 15,000, and that is around 8,000. So you can make your call. Here there are 9 rooms. See, this is the back porch of a room, and I will show you the front part actually that used to be during the British times, from where the entries used to be made. You know, visitors used to come from there. And here Sir Henry Ramsay was holding his court. So this was the main entry gate to this heritage property in the bygone days. This white door that you are seeing in the middle, this used to be the entry point, and visitors were coming from across the lawn that you will just see. So here Sir Henry Ramsay used to hold his court, and whenever he was doing so, Union Jack used to be up at the top of this heritage building. So all the Kumaon was run here, and he was very, very benevolent governor, taking care of hill people very, very nicely, and he was conserving, protecting people, and making sure they're ensuring their welfare. So guys, now we are going back, and now we are going ahead to Ranikhet, and this is the place exactly where we met leopard last night, 2 nights back actually. So when we entered Binsar. So in case those of you who have missed our last video, you can check out our last video where we met the leopard on this very, very road. He was running in front of our Innova while we were entering the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's information. Bye bye. So guys, if you want to see more about our journey, how we started from Sattal, and we started from Sattal Christian Ashram, and how we went to Ramgarh for apples there, and how we stayed in Mahesh Khan forest and made our Maggie, and now we are going to, of course, Ranikhet. So stay tuned, be with us, subscribe.